everyone! After showing to you the headdress and accessories, here is for the costume itself. Again, this is another DIY project which I'm not into vlogging yet, so I only have pictures to show. So, let's get right into it! Get a shirt pattern for the upper costume and trace it on the fabric. I have no French curve yet, so I'm using a plate to trace the sleeves. Fold the front part to get the center, mark the neckline, then cut to make an opening. Sew the front and back together, the sleeves and the hems. This is the partial look of the upper costume, and by the way, I am using a satin fabric. Next, I added some embellishments like trimmings and fat beads. I sewed the embellishments on, not just glue them, to make sure the costume lasts long after wash and wear, as I made this for rent. For the lower costume, get a pair of pants folded sideways where the crotch points meet and trace it onto the fabric. I folded the pants according to the preferred length. After tracing it to one side, flip the pattern over to the other side and trace again. Pin the fabric so both sides are aligned when cutting. I put a heavy thing in the middle to keep the fabric from moving when pinning and cutting. Sew the fabric until to the crotch point only on both sides. Do not sew the upper part. After sewing the fabric together, open it crosswise so the crotch points are at the middle. This should be the result after. Then lay it back on the surface. Replace the pins on the leg portion as in the picture shown. Now fold an inch at the upper part of the fabric for the waistband. Sew and insert elastic with a safety pin. Sew the hems of the pants as well. This is a partial look of the lower costume as embellishments will be added. Sew nut glue to make them sturdy and last long after several wash and wear. I also added these bands for the arms by sewing two colors of fabric together. Add a string of sequins and attach a snap on both ends so it will hold when wrapped around the arm. Finally, tada! Here's the accomplished DIY uni costume for Thailand. My son reused this for Buwan Wika event on the following year. I just added appropriate props to make it look like a katutubo costume. With a cardboard, wallpaper, and duct tape, I made shield and bolo as props. I also added a headdress made of these feathers and a piece of cardboard. And here it is! Please check the description box for the other costumes and headdress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye!